Welcome to Safety and Civil Engineers Insight. Today, I will show you how to create isometric drawing with AutoCAD. So let's get started.
So this is isometric drawing being drawn in AutoCAD software 2021. So we're using AutoCAD 2021 version. So I'll put you through how to reproduce this isometric drawing. So as you can see, it's well dimensioned. From this point to this point is 70,000. From this point to this point is 50,000. This point to this point is 50,000. This point to this point is 50,000. This point to this point is 25,000. This point to this point is 20,000. This point to this point is 20,000 as well. This point to this point, that's the total length is 100,000. Then the height, total height is 70,000. This point to this point. So you can actually start anywhere of your choice. There is no particular point where you could start. So any point you feel it is convenient for you, you can start at that point. So let's start from this point. So let's go through it together. The first thing to do is to come to snap. Here is your snap. Click. This comes out. After that, click on Object Snap Settings. A dialog box pops out. You ensure you select all of these. This will enable you to perform your drawing function in no time by snapping the end point, the middle point, the center point, and any other point deemed necessary for you to carry out your isometric drawing in a creative manner. So we select all. After that, you go to Snap and Grid. You click and locate isometric snap. You click and locate. As you can see, the cursor changes. So this is how to tell you that fine, you have actually changed your drawing interface to isometric. So let's go through it. So we are starting from this point. So the distance from here to here is 20,000. So let's go through it. You go to line, click, and drag it up. It's not going up. As you can see, it's going left and right. So to toggle this to go up, you say Control X. You press the Control key and press F5. Sorry, not Control X, Control F5. So let's do that. Control F5. You can see it's up now. So this is the direction it can go. When you press your Control key, F5 and F5 again to toggle the directions. So we have 20,000. We type 20,000. You press the Enter key after typing to take effect. So we have gotten now 20,000. So the distance is the width from here to this point is 70,000. So you press Control F5 to toggle, type type 70,000 or you type 50,000 based on your calculation on what you are doing. So take it up 50,000, 20,000, take it down 70,000. You type 70,000, then you click this endpoint, enter. So you have actually created this L shape, this shape here. This, this is it here. So let's do for the top, 100,000. So you go to line, click and extend it. So you toggle with Control F5 key, F5. So you see it has taken to this other direction with the function key, with the key function of Control F5. So the distance is 100,000. You type 100,000, you press your enter key, you go this way, 20,000, enter, you take it back and you click enter. So we have created this part. So you can see we are making progress. So let's do for this. From this point to this point is 20,000. From this point to this point is 50,000. From this point to this point is 25,000. So let's do that. Type 20,000 into 50,000. Enter key. Press Ctrl F5 to toggle the direction. Okay. Type 25,000. Type 50,000. Click it at this point. As you can see, you have created this. So to create this, go to line. Let's join this point. F5 to toggle. Click enter key again to activate the command. Um, 20,000. Type 20,000. Okay. So the distance from here to here, from this point, to this point is 50,000. So out of 50,000, 20,000 was taken away. What will be left will be 30,000. So go to line, 30,000. Press your Ctrl F to toggle 50,000. Click, press so F5 to toggle it down. Type 20,000. Oh, sorry, 30,000, 20,000. Is it? Sorry, 25,000. Take it this way, 50,000. Enter and click at this point. So let's look at our drawing. We're making progress. Click on line. Look at this point. So we take it. Say 50,000. Enter and take it straight. Click. So let's look at our drawing. Okay. So you go to line again. Click on line. You can actually press your enter key, or you go to the line. It's a choice. So as you can see, it's coming out 100,000. Sorry, it's like 100,000. This point. So you can see we're making progress. We're almost there. So what next to be done? It's um, design for this point. From this point to this point, 50,000, so 80 square. So how do we go about it? Okay, go to line, F5, 50,000, F5 to toggle your direction, 50,000, so you take F5 again to toggle. We have 20,000, F5 to toggle your direction. We have 50,000 here. Click on this point. So F5 to toggle your direction, 50,000, F5 to toggle your direction as well again. Enter, press enter to get your command reactivated. F5 again to toggle your direction. And you see, we are like almost there. So we're almost there. So what next again? To proceed, we have to trim off some line. So to trim off some lines, you go to trim and press your enter key. Then you trim. This is it. So we want to achieve this cylinder. To do that, you pick a line, click at this point, draw a line to this point. You also draw a line from this point to this point. After that, you go to Eclipse. Click. When you click on Eclipse, you check your command bar. It tells you arc center isocircle. So we want isocircle. You type I for isocircle and press the enter key. After that, you click on the circle. As you can see, it's not in the same plane with this our square box, you know. So to do that, you toggle, you press Control F5, Control F5. As you can see, it has changed its way of align with the box. So our cylinder is 12.5 meters, 12.5 meters, which is 12,500 millimeters. So we type 12,500 millimeters, enter. So this is it. What next to do? You alight on the circle. You say right click and copy selection. You copy this, the circle, you take it up. As you can see, it's not moving up. So to do that, you toggle by pressing your Control F5 key. Oh, sorry. Um, your lights and copy selection and Control F key, F5. So you take it to the height of your choice. Your height of your choice. You say, yeah, it's okay. Press enter key. After that, you pick online and you join the necessary points. So let's join the necessary points, which is here, this point to this point. So from here to this point. So we have successfully designed for our cylinder. So let's do copy selection because we don't have time. Time is money. So that's why you have AutoCAD to help you do your design in no time and also in a creative manner. So you highlight this, then copy solution. Copy it here, snap at this point, and snap at this point as well. So what left is for us to trim to get our desired isometric um, drawing. So you go to trim, you click and press enter key, you start trimming. So we have successfully designed this um, isometric drawing here. It has been reproduced as you can see. So this is how to carry out your isometric drawing in no time. So lastly, I'll teach you how to do for dimensioning. So if you want to dimension it, your drawing in isometric. First of all, you go to dimension, you click at align. So here to do this, you click at this point where you want to dimension, take it away from the drawing. Click. As you can see, here we have 50,000 millimeters. Same thing here, we have 50,000 millimeters. So our drawing is accurate, but it's not aligning just like this. So we have to make our dimensions look professional. So to do that, you go to dimension, public, click on the dimension, press your enter key and type 90. Enter. So 90 is actually the angle at which you want it to align with, such that your drawing will look nice and pleasing to the eyes. So this is how to dimensions for your isometric drawing. Thank you. I
Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was quite impactful. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more informative video of mine. Thank you.